नमस्कार, मैं हूं प्रशांत और आरआरआर के इस खास प्रोग्राम में आपका स्वागत है। और मेरे साथ तीन शख्सियत हैं जिनमें आर अहम है। और वो आर क्या है? एसएस राजामौली, एनटीआर, जूनियर एनटीआर, वहां पे भी आर है, और तीसरे हैं रामचरण। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए, आपका स्वागत है। पहली बात तो मुंबई में आपका स्वागत है। और सबसे पहले जहन में मेरे यही सवाल आता है कि आप मुंबई में हैं पिछले 3 दिन से आई थिंक, और मुंबई में आने के बाद यहाँ की कौन सी जगह आपको लगता है कि आप देखें, या आप यहाँ का कौन सा खाना खाएं? अगर आप फूडी हैं तो, मुझे नहीं पता आप में से कौन फूडी है।
फिलहाल मैं हूँ फूडी। लेकिन मुंबई वाज नेवर एलियन टू अस, बिकॉज़ बीइंग इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आई एम श्योर इट वाजंट एन एलियन टू एनीबॉडी जी। एंड हमारा मुंबई में आना जाना होता था सर, काफी साल से हो रहा है वो। और Mumbai was never an alien place, and we love the vibe of Mumbai.
Right.
It makes us also run towards our dreams.
Right.
And it's a city full of dreams.
I think आपने तो यहाँ पे रह के एक्टिंग कोर्स भी किया है जहाँ तक।
जी।
Am I right?
नामितन किशोर कपूर।
Yeah, right. So अभी अगर मैं फिल्म की बात करूं, जैसा सभी लोग आपसे पूछ रहे होंगे, लेकिन पहला जो चीज मुझे समझ में आती है कि बाहुबली की सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है वो एक अलग बात है। मगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपके ऊपर वो एक प्रेशर है कि मुझे उससे बेहतर कुछ देना है और लोगों को पसंद आए, और आप लोगों को आफ्टर बाहुबली क्या एक नया, मैं पूछूं एसएस राजामौली के अंदर आपको क्या एक नया नजरिया इनके बारे में आपको नजर आया?
First part of the question is mine. See, there is never a pressure. I don't feel pressured, and I don't compare my films with my previous films or anything as such. Once the Bahubali is done, once the run is through, I forget everything about the film. I take it out of my mind space. Of course, the memories will be there, the love will be there, but I take it out of my mind. Then I go into the next project, and my whole effort is not comparing it with Bahubali. My whole effort is that I have certain image in my mind, certain thoughts in my mind. All my effort is to put that thoughts onto screen. My fear is that, my drive is that, whether I'm giving my 100%, whether everything is getting done in the right way to bring my thought onto the screen in the best way possible. So my whole drive is for that. Now that we have almost finished the film, I have just maybe 0.23% job done, fine tuning. I have seen the film. It has come out in a very nice way. Of course, people should tell whether it's nice or not, but I am confident that it's going to connect to the sequences of RRR are going to connect to the audience in a very strong way.
Okay. मैं ऐड भी कर देता हूँ जो मेरा दूसरा पार्ट था सवाल का। आई थिंक स्टूडेंट नंबर 1 आपने सर के साथ किया, पहले आपने मगधीरे किया। सो ये जो अभी मैं बात कर रहा था, नजरिया किस तरह से चेंज हुआ है पहली फिल्म से और आपकी मगधीरे से, सेकंड फिल्म से, किस तरह से नजरिया चेंज हुआ है आपका और इंडस्ट्री का एसएस राजामौली के तरफ?
सर, इनका जो वो भूख है अच्छे फिल्म्स बनाने का, जो भूख है इनका, वो और बढ़ा सा हो गया सर अब। He's become hungrier. He's hungry to tell big, good, marvelous stories. That hunger of his has multiplied 1,000 folds, because his success also has multiplied 1,000 folds. Now he has that platform. He's carved that for himself, sir. I don't know. See, I've never in these years of friendship with him, I've never asked him what your aim is, but now when I'm looking at him, I think he's going towards it. He's achieving it every day, one after the other. It was Bahubali, the Bahubali franchise. Now it's RRR. There are going to be many more. So his hunger keeps increasing, and only when a filmmaker's hunger keeps increasing, that's when actors like us are also challenged to create more, to move out from our comfort zone as actors.
I mean, for me, my personal reason coming into a Rajamouli sir's movie is सीखने के लिए बहुत मिलता है सर। 12 साल पहले जब मगधीरा किया था, probably I've learnt this much, but he has grown so much as a person, as a director, and his vision has become multifolds. अभी हमको सीखने के लिए, like Tarak said, it's become this much. And I love to be a student. It's probably 1 or 2 directors, pan India, who I would like to come into a set as a student, not as an actor, which I'll be useful to that script or the story. But here, he's the master, he's the headmaster, taskmaster, and we are students coming in to learn something, which is always going to be, definitely going to be useful for me in my future films and my career.
ग्रेट। जैसा तारक ने बोला कि इनका भूख बढ़ गया है और वो एक्टर्स का चैलेंज होता है इस फिल्म में। मैं 2 चीजें बोलूंगा। कोरियोग्राफी की हम लोग बात कर रहे थे
जी,
और मैंने उसकी भी कहानी सुनी कि कितने दिन में वो गाना शूट हुआ। एक और चीज है आपकी फिल्मों में, वो होता है एक्शन की कोरियोग्राफी। जनरली एक्शन जो है वो हिंदी में एक वर्ड होता है विभत्स होता है, लेकिन इनका एक्शन बहुत खूबसूरत होता है, श्रृंगार रस होता है उसमें, है ना। चाहे मैं बात करूं बाहुबली की, चाहे मैं इस फिल्म की बात करूं, वो जो सिंक्रोनाइजेशन है वो एक्टर के लिए कितना मुश्किल है एज एन एक्टर जब आपने किया, और कितना कहते हैं डिमांडिंग है।
sir, he has to be that. I'm totally okay with Rajamouli being very demanding as a director, because वो उनका विजन है सर। Call it RRR, call it Bahubali, call it whatever is going to come in the future, it is his vision, उनका विजन है। and उनके विजन को साकार करने के लिए हमारे चेहरे हैं इधर। so we are actors who are the faces of his vision. So when he's giving us so much of opportunity and giving us, जब वो हमें उस तरह की मंच पे लेके जा रहे हैं ना सर, so हमारा भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि we have to respect that confidence he has shown on us.
Right.
And we really have to give him that 100%. So fine, jokes apart, like, yeah, I always crib that he wants more, but why not? I mean, we are signed up for his want, for his thirst. And it's not the amount of takes, it's not the amount of hours we spent for.
I think 11 बजे आपको छोड़ते थे, सुबह 9 बजे फिर
हाँ जी, वो पूरा था सर। 11 बजे रात को छोड़ना और सुबह 6 बजे फिर से बुलाना, वो पूरा सर, वो पूरा है। But again, just it's I don't know, when he just looks at the monitor and वो okay जैसा बोलते हैं ना सर, वो with that confidence, with that happiness he has, I think that really brings a lot of satisfaction to us as actors.
Right.
And he's got this a different way of saying when he's satisfied. When he's satisfied.
कैसे बोलते हैं?
I don't know, sir. He's very confident. He's like, okay. It's like that, and you can hear it. You know that he's satisfied, and that's the most important thing for an actor, sir.
Right. मैं जैसे बोल रहा था कि एक्शन में ये खूबसूरती, ये कहां से जहन में आया कि जब एक्शन भी हो तो लोग, मतलब कहते हैं ऐसे नहीं रिएक्शन होता, ये वो ऐसे होता है ये कहां से आपके जहन में आया कि एक्शन को इतना खूबसूरत बना दे?
I don't know. I think you're asking me if I look into myself. I think it comes from the Puranas and Ithasas that we have as in India.
Very true.
Indians, and I mean I don't know of other languages. I'm sure other languages are as beautiful, but in Telugu we have a poet called Potana, Bhakta Potana, who has written Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is the story of Vishnu. Mahabharata is a part of it, but he has written it in such beautiful flow, such visualization. Now everything is visualized. Every couplet he writes in couplets, and every word is so beautiful. He visualizes everything. Gajendra Moksha, where the crocodile holds the leg of the Gajendra, and Gajendra prays for Lord Vishnu, and Lord Vishnu comes down, and along with him all the entourage comes down. The way he describes, it's an action piece. It's a fantastic action piece, but he has written it like a beautiful choreography.
It's like तस्वीर, पिक्चर, जो हम लोग गॉड और गॉडेसेस के पिक्चर देखते हैं, जो मुद्राएं उसमें होती हैं, बिल्कुल वो दोनों का इस फिल्म में भी वही एक्शन मुझे देखने को मिला।
Yeah, so that is how it started for me, and that is how I like to see my actors as. No, for me, my actors are demigods. My
Yeah, they
characters
are
are
all-
demigods, demigods, and
Right.
the fans think they love their heroes more, but I love my actors much more than them. So I want to present them in the biggest, beautiful. I take every opportunity to present them in the best way possible.
Right.
That is how I am.
बट मैंने सुना कि डेमीगोड्स को जो संभालना बहुत मुश्किल था शूटिंग के दौरान, वो आप लोगों के पास कंप्लेन लेके आते थे. What was that?
Lot of complaints. I mean, their star status, how the people love them, their age, they are married, they are into 30s, no, and they don't behave like how they're supposed to behave. You know, they behave like small school children. They come with complaint at school. Teacher,
They
he
said
broke.
ना कि आप गुरु हैं तो फिर बच्चों के लिए
Yeah,
तो
but
बच्चे
of
रहेंगे.
course, okay,
हाँ.
wait, okay,
That's
okay.
exactly.
So you expect your students to come to you with doubts about career or acting. How should I act? How should I do this? Or I have a certain problem with my costume to do the action, something like that. They come with teacher, he broke my pencil. Teacher, he stole my rubber. Teacher,
सर टीचर इज लाइक योर मदर. सर घर में माँ होती है और स्कूल में टीचर होती है और शूट पर जकरना और राजमौली होता है, तो विल हैव टू टेल हिम.
what?
No, you have to.
What, that
You
he
can.
keeps-
You're the biggest cribbing teacher. The teacher never cribs, and you're the only cribbing teacher. Right?
Absolutely.
But मुझे ये बताइए, yeah, you are telling something.
No, I think pretty much that he guides us so well, and obviously he's pushing us, and it's so intense on the sets. So to break the ice and to feel a little
you need to
musty,
have this laughter.
we have to have
so
the musty.
musty
Otherwise,
करना चाहिए ना.
it's so intense. The sets are intense. The dialogues are
ये होता है
intense.
कि हाँ,
The action is
mathematics
intense.
lecturer की तरह बैठ के हाँ
Yeah.
1 + 1 is okay.
Yeah, like you said, when you see the fights, they are so poetic.
Yeah.
But sir, come to our sets.
बट जब आपको टाइम मिलता है, फ्री टाइम में, आप सेट्स पे क्या करते हैं?
क्या?
Gee, just catching up, both of us. Just you, sir. As much as serious it is on Rajmouli's set, you have that fun happening also. You know, his family is there, our families are there, and the families have been associated for many years together now. So it's like a picnic whenever you're on a Rajmouli set. Hyderabad is like that. Imagine if Hyderabad was like that. Imagine how it would be on outdoors.
Right.
Outdoors, it's like you're on a holiday, but you're on a work holiday.
Probably he's the only director where every family member of his is on the sets of his
Yes.
films. One and only.
Sir,
तो है ना,
family में
आप लोग
एक-
जल्दी ना करें कि मुझे घर जाना है.
सर फैमिली में कोई एक आदमी होता है, नहीं तो 2, 3, बट यहां इनके फैमिली में everyone is so talented. Like this is a family which eats, lives, dreams, thinks, sleeps, films, cinema.
आपने मैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस देख रहा था, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान आपने बोला कि जब आपने स्टोरी सुना तो आपने एकदम से कहा कि इस कैरेक्टर पे अजय देवगन जाते हैं. सो हाउ मच, मतलब आप हिंदी फिल्में आप कितना देखते हैं? और क्योंकि अगर आपको यहाँ के जो एक्टर्स हैं उनके बारे में या उनको आपको कास्ट करना है तो जाहिर सी बात है आपने उनका काम देखा है. सो कितना फिल्में आप हिंदी देखते हैं, या कभी आप अपनी खुद की डब्ड वर्जन फिल्में देखते हैं जो हम लोग देखते हैं?
We did many a times, of course.
हाँ.
बहुत बार देखे हुए सर, and then he was very particular that you know what, this time I want you both to dub for your voices in Hindi also, and Tamil, call it Kannada. He wanted us to dub because this was exactly what we were also feeling. You know, sir, when you're an actor, when someone else is lending your voice to your face, well, they have done a good job. But somewhere an actor knows the depths
Right.
of what he's saying. He knows how to give his voice out. So, and he was very particular about it. And when we dubbed, and when we watched ourselves
We
dubbing in
experienced
Hindi, we loved it more.
Like just dubbing for 4 languages, though we had very less dialogues, 20 or 25 दिन लगा था. पूरा डबिंग फिनिश करने के लिए. इट वॉज स्ट्रेसफुल बिकॉज 5 लैंग्वेजेस का वापस आके करेक्शंस करना. So it was going on and on, but today I'm telling you, I'm so happy that they gave us that opportunity to dub, and I'm sure we're going to see the fruits of this. How audience are going to connect with us, and how they're going to reciprocate with the effort we all put in.
लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी, उससे पहले भी देखी, बट वो जब आप दूसरे लोगों की डब में देखते हैं और बहुत एंटरटेनिंग भी होती हैं सारी फिल्में, सो आपको खुद क्या दिमाग में चल रहा होता है उस वक्त देखने के बाद?
Definitely we feel it can be done much better. But all due respects, thanks to all the dubbing artists who have dubbed our films for over a decade, and Hindi audience have accepted us primarily because of our dubbed films. And I want to thank all the dubbing artists. But chalo, abhi we have come, we will dub our own voices.
राइट. तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फिल्म RRR. आप सब लोग जाएं, सिनेमा हॉल में देखें, और मेरे ख्याल में इस बार एक्सपीरियंस पहले से भी बड़ा होगा, क्योंकि 2 बड़े सुपरस्टार्स और एक बड़े सुपरस्टार डायरेक्टर.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.